Yo guys, what up? Me, Patrick Levar. So I'm out in here today, filming with the Super 16 app. I've been back into it, and just there's a lot of new settings. And quickly, let me change to the newest setting that I'm really happy about. Hang on. And boom, that's it. We got two 39:1 cine bars inside of the Super 16 app, which is fantastic. Now you don't have to put them in after and all that. They already are embedded. Also, right now I'm using my preset, my Cine Still 50D preset. It's actually, if you hit the community tab, you'll be able to download it. I submitted another one, but I'm not sure if it got approved yet, so we'll find out if it did. But definitely take a look at that. You gotta be kidding me. I'm on my way to work, getting ready to take out the trash, and the coffee filter falls out. Really? Well, that didn't work out too well. I wanted to leave 10 minutes early so I can film on the way to work and grab some shots. It took 10 minutes to vacuum, so now I'm leaving at my normal work time. Also guys, one of the new things that I really like about this app now is this performance preferred mode, where I can turn off all the processing, just record the video, get maximum frame rate, and then after I stop recording, it goes ahead and processes the clip. It adds all the effects on. So if you have a weaker device that's not able to run this, you can run it now, because now you can put it in that low quality mode while it records, and then it'll process after that. Super fantastic. So guys, if you're still with me in this video, down in the comments, drop the keyword, I love Super 16. I want to see all my diehard Super 16 fans down there. So drop that down in the comments there. Alright guys, so this was a quick look at some of the updates in the Super 16 app. I'll have lots more coming. I'm actually working on a guide right now, a super detailed guide. It's almost like about 40 minutes long, broken up into little tiny sections. Stay tuned for that. I may have the link in the description for the pre-sale. I'm not sure about that, but we'll figure all that stuff out later. Keep filming. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. See ya.